Back to camping life here. Home boys and home peeps and home girls. Slept alright, it was pretty cold, but at least I slept 9 hours and a half, so it's nice. Enjoying simple life. Some oats and coffee. It's everything you need.
Heading off from DÖMSÖD. So I still don't know if I'm gonna do 70 or 100k today. Amazing DÖMSÖD. I'll just let the day steer today. We'll see how it goes. These are the conditions today. Cycling through the hinterland of Hungary, the Great Hungarian Plain, with some nice and quiet roads. We'll try to get to Novi Sad on Friday, the second largest city in Serbia, and join the protests there against corruption and for democracy. These are the roads here in rural Hungary, a patchwork of repairs. Not bad at all. The conditions of the Eurovelo 7 here before Danube was pretty chill road, and it's getting hot today, riding against some mild headwinds, so going pretty slow. Just kicking this, homeboys. This is what I offer you today, peeps. Not much going on. This is cycling. Sorry, peeps. Wish some drama could happen, but it's just like this. Thinking about life, about my future, about what I'm gonna do when I arrive to Istanbul, and thinking about the moment and meditating a bit. I think that's why I do this thing. Just to be in the moment and try to enjoy this short life that we have, peeps. Getting so philosophical here in the road, alone with the sun. So that's the deal, homeboys and home peeps. That's the deal. We're lonely. We're born alone. We live alone and we die alone. Sometimes you get to meet some peeps. Sometimes if you're lucky. This is the road. And this is the way. Don't forget that. The way forward. Finally some asphalt, so I can pick up some speed. Stopping here at Salt. That's my favorite job. Here's this castle park and this cute church. The cute park at Salt. Not much happening here, homeboys, but good for a rest. On our way to Baja, California. Cycling through Karlochta, a lovely town. Amazing. Such a lovely place, Karlochta. The city of my dreams. My favorite city in Hungary until this moment. I think I'm gonna move here. Some nice architecture here, vernacular style. Leaving Karlochta now, unfortunately it was my favorite town until now. Heading to camp in 5k. Hopefully that will be a camp. You never know in this place. So let's see. But in Danube, home peeps and home girls and home boys and boy homes. The doggo. I mean, look at this alley, homeboys and home peeps. It's so long. I think it's the longest one I've ever seen in my whole 35 years of existence in this world. It's unimaginable, the beauty of this place, homeboys. Come to Karlochta in Hungary. You're missing something. Look at this alley, baby. Beautiful. Seriously, this alley continues. I really don't understand what's going on, homeboys and homegirls. Please someone explain to me. This must be Europe's longest alley of no idea what type of trees. If you know that, please hit me up in the comments. I need a landscape architect. If you're a landscape architect, please reach out to me. What trees are these? The mystery. No one knows. Camp should be in this town in Novi Sad. Here's the place by the river. Super lovely. Lovely place indeed, homeboys. Going to the river now. For a swim, of course, to relax after 80k. Gotta enjoy the Danube, you know. I can't just be cycling the whole time without stopping and enjoying these amazing waters. Here it is. Thank you for watching once again. Here from the shores of the Danube. Looks great. And pedal on. Okay, it looks really nice, but there's tons of mosquitoes, so I need to get in soon. Super nice. Amazing.